Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I am the Fire Escape Griller, and I want to start out today's episode by saying thank you to all my viewers in Australia. I get a ton of viewers from Australia, almost 50% of all my viewers, and it just blows me away because I never thought people on the other side of the world were going to be watching this show. So thank you, Australia, and without further ado, let's get into today's recipe. We're making boneless, skinless, but not boring chicken breasts right here on the Fire Escape. Chicken breasts with no bones and no skin usually make for chicken breasts with no flavor, so we're gonna make a marinade. And that starts with 2 sprigs of rosemary and 4 cloves of garlic. What you want to do is take these sort of pine needle leaves off the rosemary stems, and then we're going to chop those up to release the oils, and then chop up the garlic and add these both to a bowl. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and then some sea salt and fresh ground black pepper. Then grab a small fork and whisk these ingredients together to make our marinade. And then give it a little taste and see if it needs any adjustments, but this tastes pretty good. So I'm just gonna move this off to the side. And here we have our lovely chicken breasts. Pretty much pure protein. There's very little fat, and that means they have the tendency to dry out on the grill. You have to be real careful not to overcook them. So I'm going to place the chicken into a Pyrex dish and pour the marinade right on top. If you don't have a dish like this, you could always use a freezer bag. It would work just the same. And then get your hand in there and mix these around a little bit. Make sure that marinade's getting all over those chicken breasts. Then we're gonna put the lid on and place it in the refrigerator, and this would be a perfect time to go grab a workout. Out here on the Fire Escape, I've preheated the Weber Q for about 10 or 12 minutes, and now I'm adjusting the gas to medium-high heat, and I'm gonna add the chicken breasts, and there are 2 sides of the chicken breast. One is the prettier side, which faces up when you serve it, and the other side is not quite as pretty. So we're gonna go pretty side down so we get some nice grill marks, and then take whatever marinade's left and put that right on top of the chicken breast. Then close the lid to let these grill for 8 minutes. Just like that, it is 8 minutes later, and it is time to give these a flip. So using our trusty tongs, give them a flip, and we can see those beautiful grill marks. The grates on the Weber Q definitely produce excellent grill marks. Close the lid again and keep on grilling. We are now at the 16-minute mark, and we're going to stick our thermometer into these chicken breasts to see what we're looking at. 125, 130, that would be perfect if these were steaks. That would give you a nice medium rare steak. But this is chicken, and you do not want medium rare chicken. So here we are now at the 20-minute mark, and we're looking at about, looks like 166 there. We're getting about 168 over here. So I'm saying these are ready to come in. I really don't want to cook them any longer. I don't want them to dry out. I want to get them inside, give them a good 5 to 10 minute rest, let those juices flow back through the meat like we always do. Then after they have a nice rest, I'm going to show you how I plate these up. What I like to do is lay down a bed of organic leafy greens. Here I'm using baby spinach, but you could use kale, you could use mixed greens, you could use power greens, totally up to you. But because of the pesticides on conventional leafy greens, I would always recommend using organic. And we're going to hit this with a little salad dressing, and I'm using just a light balsamic vinaigrette. Use whatever kind you like. If you like red wine vinaigrette, use red wine vinaigrette. I just happen to have some balsamic in my refrigerator. A little bit of salt. A little fresh ground black pepper. And then I like to take one of those chicken breasts after I slice it up and place it right on top of the baby spinach. And then I take that juice and I pour it right back over the chicken. And here is our final dish, boneless, skinless chicken breast, grilled on a fire escape in Brooklyn, New York. So this is just a ridiculously healthy meal that you can make. I've got a piece of it right here. It's good. It's really delicious. And what's nice is, the juice from the chicken kind of gets mixed in together with the salad dressing, and together they combine to make a really nice little, almost like a little dipping sauce. And that really is a terrific meal. Super healthy, like I said. Perfect if you need some extra protein in your diet, and you always need leafy greens. So give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe, and of course, keep on grilling.